Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Sri J.M. Donda Primary School. My dear students, today in English grammar session we are going to study chapter number 12, the tenses. Children, in lower classes we have already studied tenses, right? We have studied all present tense, past tense, future tense, then continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Okay, this all we have studied. There are 12 forms. Yes. So now you have to remember. So we will start the tenses from. So, my dear students, let us start. First, we will understand what is tense. The tense of a, now what is tense? The tense of a verb shows the time of an action of an event. Okay? So, the tense of a verb shows the time of an action of an event. Here I have given some examples. Let us understand. So here Rama, says, "How is the weather today?" Disha answers, "It is very hot." Okay, so this is present tense. This conversation is present tense. Now, in next example, Rama, "How was the weather yesterday?" Disha, "It was cold and chill." So, here this conversation says past tense. Yes. Now, in third, Rama, "How will the weather be tomorrow?" Disha, "It will be raining." So here this tells future tense. Yes. So my dear students, in this conversation, in the conversation, the weather of 3 different times are mentioned. Yes. Times, that is present, past and future. In first conversation, is the weather, is very hot, is present. Was the weather, was cold and chill is past. Will the weather, will be raining is future. Fine. Now, tenses are verb forms. Now, there are 3 main tenses. First one is the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Present tense. Okay, now we will study present tense. So, what is present tense? Present tense expresses action in the present time. Okay, present tense expresses action in the present time. What is going on in present time is present tense. Now, in short, we can say, in other words, we use the present tense to talk about what is happening right now or things that are continuous. For examples, we are late. The stars are shining. Yes, we are late, present, simple present tense. The stars are shining is continuous tense, present continuous. Past tense. Past tense expresses actions in the past time. Here, in short, we use the past tense to talk about what has already happened. It may have happened earlier in the day, yesterday, last month, 4 years ago, and so on. Example: we were late. We were late. Okay. The stars were shining. Here also past simple past tense, and here the stars were shining is past continuous tense. Future tense. Future tense expresses actions in the future time. We use the future tense to talk about what is yet to happen. It may happen later, today, tomorrow, next week, next year, 4 years from now, and so on. For example, we shall be late. We will have all the facilities. So, my dear students, in this chapter number 12, it's only that present, past, and future tense are given. And further, we will study more, yes, about the tenses. So, till this lesson, learn thoroughly, do the revision, learn paragraph writing, story writing, what the writing part is given in your textbook. Learn that, go through the textbook, all the definitions, all the forms, rules.